These are the tools that you will need. This is the driving belt that we need to change. It has reached its maximum running time, which is 60,000 miles. Draw a diagram showing the right position of the belt to the pulleys so that it will be easier for you to replace a new drive belt for your engine. Moving the wrench to the right will loosen the belt. And make sure that the grooves of the belt are aligned properly to the pulleys and there are no tools left before starting the engine.